Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man, Big John. John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one for you. One of those Magnums coming from changing lanes. This one was all black. It had the blue and yellow racing stripes on it with a few other things. This vehicle was in dire need of a makeover. So the customer decided to bring it to John's Restoration. The rims was all blue, the car was black with the stripes. Customer gave us free reign of the vehicle, so this is what we came up with. This is his fraternity colors, the blue and the yellow. So I had my man Chad come out and do the realistic flames on it. We also went ahead and two-toned the rims. Y'all see it. Totally different from before. Got the whole front end flaming. Got his fraternity logo on the hood. And for everybody that knows John's Restoration, this is all paint, no stickers. Car sounds like it got a turbocharger under the hood. This belonged to Tony. This is the one that had the words Tony Magnum on the side. Well, we didn't have to put his name back because everybody know who car it is. He's supposed to be coming to us for us to do the interior soon. So we're going to change up the interior for him. But for now, we just did the little body work, custom paint, two-tone the wheels. Added the gold and white flakes to it. Y'all that know us, we do a lot of the vehicles from Changing Lanes Car Club. If y'all one of the members that's out of state, it is a small fee, but if you don't want to drive the vehicle, I got a 24-foot enclosed trailer. I can come pick the vehicle up, whether you're in Atlanta, DC, Maryland, South Carolina, wherever you are, dealing with changing lanes, I'll come pick up your vehicle, get it done and return it back to you, fully made over. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call for paint, body work, whether it's factory or custom, airbrush, interior, stereos, audio, rims, tires. We pretty much a one-stop shop when it comes to customizing your vehicle. And this is January that this car is getting done, so don't let nobody tell you it's too cold to get your car done in the wintertime. Ain't no such thing. They got that turbocharger kicking in again. Nah, I'm just messing. That's the fans. But y'all give us a call. Let me know who's next. Oh, and we also offer government and military financing as well on the paint jobs, on the interior, the rims and tires, the audio. We can finance the whole thing for your vehicle. Get it done from top to bottom, front to back. John's Restoration. Another one.